Alright. I honestly didn't get to select the load up or whatever. I think that feature might be a little bugged.
We've claimed the advantage, now hold it. We've given up the lead. The lead is ours.
Cannon.
Move up. Mark moves down. You must have had a horse.
No! This is gonna be a major problem. Headshot right through the door at that range, and not one shot. How you doing? Okay. Gotta think about this for a second.
I was totally acting in self-defense.
Hi. Hello.
Send in Semtex.
I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. Old dude just replaced old with Geo, and you got a Pokemon. Welcome to my world, bro.
Guess what?
UAV available for tasking.
Okay, so going up.
UAV in the turn. You have eyes on. Electronic countermeasures active.
Oh god, what the hell did I just see?
UAV MTL 50% check. Cloaker MTL 50% check.
He's on the heady. So while he's on the heady, I'm gonna play like this for a bit.
Mission timeline expired. UAV RTB. Cloaker killing music. Headed home.
Scared the shit out of me, dude. What the fuck? Let's get on this heady too then. Screw it.
Yeah, man.
I'm scared.
UAV prepped for launch.
Cloaker above. Cranking music. UAV established overhead.
No! Teammates! You assholes!
Counter UAV, 50% fuel remaining. UAV mission timeline, 50% expended.
One of your assault packs has been destroyed.
Counter UAV,
Hi, how you doing?
ECM operation. Priority tasking request received. UAV exiting your grid.
No, no, no. I'm scared.
Hold the line, Crimson. This is ours to lose.
Counter UAV available for tasking.
Commence chopper gunner operations above.
Cloaker in position. Deploying ECM. UAV commencing surveillance operation. Cloaker reporting power reserves 50%.
Okay.
UAV
Oh,
fuel
okay.
check 50%. Mission timeline expired. Cloaker exiting AOR. We're flying on fumes. UAV returning to base.
Never mind. Jesus Christ, they were running.
Proceed to extract. Overdrive. Earn elimination level. Complete your combo.
Oops. Okay, maybe I don't have the optimal loadout for it, but we're gonna check it out right now. I need a laser.
You're falling behind, Crimson.
Oh my goodness! I am missing. Damn. This is definitely a fucking cannon. Oh, I only missed the bullet. Jesus Christ. Ah, I did it again. God damn it. Why do I stay doing that to myself? Hey, why are we playing? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask anymore. Okay, so like I said, this is definitely a one shot with the Kimbo's on. It's still a one shot to the head either way, but see, just like that. And like that. And there. Oh my god, I missed that. You know, I have a even dumber idea, but this will go completely. So instead of that, I'm gonna put a rapid fire because I kind of want to make
The lead is ours.
an optimal loadout for the skull splitter that doesn't involve having shotgun bullets.
Taking the lead.
Oh.
Stay on task.
Wait, did I? Oh no, wait, never mind. I didn't take off the suppressors. Okay, I'm safe. Oh my god, I keep fucking up there. I didn't fuck up there, good.
We've given up the lead.
Oh, he's right there in the fucking corner too! Nobody heard that man. nobody heard the manliest war cry ever. You motherfucker. Oh my fuck! Why the hell did I? Okay, whatever. Where am I going? Teammate. Okay, so rapid fire doesn't really help as often as I would love it to.
Keep it that way.
I pulled the trigger, but okay.
I was the gang last time. Enemy stay on task.
I don't know how I missed that in the first place. Jesus Christ, the recoil on this thing is just insane. Okay, so so no suppressors, we're just gonna go with this. Like, flat out.
You're falling behind, Crimson.
And I missed that. Wow.
We're winning. Keep it that way. All threats neutralized. Scour the area.
Okay, word to the wise, don't. Of course. My teammates nowhere to be found once again.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Oh,
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Jesus. Okay. Gotta reload just in case, you know. If I move from here right now, I know I'm going to get torched. See what I mean?
UAV in the turn. We have eyes on.
Yeah, man.
UAV mission timeline 50% incremental.
This powerful is powerful. This is how you know my brain is fried between this game, dude. Oh god, yeah, this is really fucking powerful. Where the hell was this when I needed it? Oh god. No!
Cloaker in position. Deploying ECM. Surveillance operation. Cloaker MTL. 50% check.
there. That's my fault.
Counter UAV
Can I-
terminating ECM operation. Mission timeline expired. UAV RTB.
Yeah, this would have been perfect for me. Wow, okay. No, let's go this way. I literally missed my shots. Do not target me, bitch. Fuck you. Oh, come on. How'd I miss that? Jesus Christ, they're holding each other's cocks right now.
You're falling behind, Crimson. We've
That
given
worked?
up the lead.
Okay, I'll take it. He's right there! What the f- How did I not hear that? Oh my god, he's literally in corners, dude. This is driving me fucking insane. You fucking swat! I swear to fucking god! They're just camping. It's kind of getting annoying now.
Enemy UAV inbound.
But I don't want to sweat. That is the problem with people. They want to sweat and then they get mad when they don't get what they want. Nobody's focused on!
They've taken the lead.
Absolute fucking turd. Scared the shit out of me. Okay. Wow. Mind you, I'm just using a fucking I can't. Okay. I'm just using a fucking pistol because I want to have fun, but. Jesus Christ, I'm literally smacking the shit out of my fucking controller right now. This is why my shit is damaged.
RTC in your AO.
What the hell? Okay, so it bounces from the literal air. Got it.
Hostile UAV established overhead. Enemy RCXD detected. Hostile care package
I had
inbound.
to. The third one hit him. I'm convinced the third one actually fucking hit him. Come on, see that bootstrap. Not bootstrap. Okay. They're holding each other's cocks. What the fuck is this, dude? That's 4 hits on him. That's 4 to 5 hits on him. And I still lose that. Okay.
Incoming lethal.
Oh, come the fuck on, man. That's getting annoying.
Your assault pack has been destroyed.
And I'm getting triple teams. Jesus Christ, dude. They're running together. That's the main
They're right
issue
where
for
we
me
want
right
them.
now.
Finish the job.
How did he know I was there? Wow, he's seen me and I didn't see him somehow? Incredible. Incredible fucking work, Call of Duty. I'm literally getting... Wow! I'm talking shit, I don't go fuck.
Stand down, Crimson. We have what we came for.
Lost. Like,
Get it
brother,
done.
you're not that good to get accused like that. I'm not even that good to get accused like that.
We've taken the lead. Stay on task.
Why are you shooting like that, dude? Oh, right. No! You know what? I think if I put... No, not that. This on, I should be able to see a little better. Yep, I'm able to see a little better. Thank you, optics. And someone already quit. Okay, so I literally missed the head somehow. Got the one shot on him. What? You know what? Who are you? Ow! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! They don't know I'm here. Like, it took them forever to realize I was there! Ooh. Oh my god. Come on, mid. Jesus. This shit is broken. Ah! Jesus Christ, you scared the shit out of me, dude. Oh my god, dude. I feel like I'm playing a horror game at this point. Nice. Mid. Right back.
Enemies have a blast
God damn it. Nice, right in the fucking head. Again, where the hell was this attack when I genuinely needed it? Ooh. Heard something. He's right behind me, Jesus. Oh my god, that's right to the head. Thank you, teammate. He had control the fucking ass. Oh, I got two of them on me.
Assault packs.
Wow, that was so slow for me. Yeah, this gun is super powerful, I'm not gonna lie, but they keep going for one specific side. So I think I'm gonna dive right through mid. Yep, dive right through mid. Got a heady there. Pop off a little bit here, man. Walk right into it, dummy. Oh, no, 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 fuck! I literally heard him so late.
One of your assault packs has been destroyed.
What? No! I got hit mark to the head! Like, dude, what the fuck, man? That is such poor fucking timing for me.
Tie it good. Put your head down and secure the target.
I genuinely cannot see shit. Oh my god! I finally hit it! What the hell? Oh, I got a hit mark to the neck. Well, I don't know if the neck counts as a one-shot radius. I think it should, in my opinion, but I don't know if it does. Oh my god, you little bitch! Just come over here! Damn, right to the head.
All units prepare for exfil. This one's ours.
Yo, GG's. Okay. What do we do?
You claimed the advantage, now hold it.
Gotta make it. I did! Oh, come on! 3 shots, really? Put the barrel on it, nerd! There's a nerd over here. Scared the shit out of me, dude. Sorry, Ellie. I got scared.
Got their long gun.
Ah, he got me. He finally got me. He was out for vengeance. I could have had another one. You know, that's my fault for not swiping, which I normally do, but not this time. Swear to God, I seen something. He's just camping out back. Okay. You know what? Throw that over there. What the actual I swear to God, I could have just killed you! Where did you come from, you freak of nature?
One in my...
Yeah, no, they nerfed that, buddy. They're not allowing you to use it. Hi, James. Do not see this guy. Oh, the blazing fast reaction, dude. Aww, little trophy system.
One of your assault packs has been destroyed.
There was another one there. Jesus Christ, the timing couldn't even be perfect. I got smacked with that one. What the hell did I do there? I got double teamed right there on the spot. You know what? I know he's weak. Killed the corner camper again. What? Did my damage get cut in half or something? I literally thought I had a headshot on him. God damn it. They're not happy.
Pull your head out of your ass and check your fucking target.
Dude, swear to God. Jesus fuck. I swear to God, so God, fucking help me. They're all coming from that side.
too fucking close.
I tried to load off another shot. Yeah, I spawned with them. Okay.
Destroyed one of your assault packs.
Time's nearly up. Closing down.
You're still gonna die one way or another, bro. It's only a matter of time. Stop trying to drop shot, sir. I'm coming for you. Hope you know that. Yo, GG's. Good job camping in the spawn, though. Made things a little easy for us. Bro, it's okay, we understand. Look at your whole team right here, too. Jesus. Is this the first time you guys moved out of your spawn? I don't know, man. From my